Hello and welcome to today's crafty segment, friends. My name is Smita Katti. I run a creative website called smilingcolors.com where I share DIY crafts and projects that you can create for yourself, for your home, or with your kids. I hope you came prepared to be creative because today we're going to be creating a rangoli together. Here is what we will be making today. It's a rangoli design. It has a lot of texture because of the salt, and it's very colorful because of the watercolor.
So here's what you'll need: the printout of the rangoli design, white glue. If you don't have white glue, you can use any kind of liquid glue. You'll also need salt, regular table salt works, and watercolors. So the process is really simple. With your glue, you just trace the outline of the design. You want to fill an entire area with the glue and then sprinkle salt on top of it. Shake off the excess salt. To color it, I just take my paintbrush, dip it in my watercolor. You don't want to pick up too much water. You want to have just enough water to pick up the color, and then touch your paintbrush to the salt. You can mix and match colors. I will be repeating these 3 steps over and over to fill this entire rangoli design. I'll play some music here and you can follow along.
And there you have it, friends. That's how you color in your printable rangoli design with salt and watercolor. I hope you enjoyed making this and had fun creating your own rangoli to decorate your home. If you do share a picture of this on social media, please tag me at Smita Katti. I would love to see what you created. Happy Diwali, everyone!